to UB40 presents replacing a doorknob. Alright guys, so welcome to a new video. I'm gonna be giving one of my bedroom doors an upgrade. So there's the old doorknob, and I'm gonna be replacing it with this one right here that I got off from DD's. Cost me only $7, $6.99 plus tax. Pretty cheap, so I think it's gonna look different with the black one on. All right, let's get to it. And this is the only tool that I'm gonna be using for this job, a Phillips screwdriver. So let's start off with the easiest part, which is to remove this piece right here. And that's easy, only 2 screws. Let me move the camera back a little bit. This job seems complicated, but it's not. But the previous people that lived here, they just didn't give an F when it comes to taking care of the property. Wow, this screw, it's kind of twisted or bended. So let me try to get it out. And I think it's coming out. I just gotta give it a little more force. Who in the world screws a screw like that? You guys see that? How it's coming out? It's coming out at an angle. I'm worried that once I put the new one, I'm worried I'm gonna be screwing this screw in the same way. Because like mentioned, the previous people that live here in this house, they just didn't give in an F. Oh man, look at that. Look at the wood. It is coming down into pieces. Look at that. No wonder they put the screw up like that. Okay, let me see what I can do. Alright, let's continue with this video. And since YouTube thinks that I'm not that sexy, I won't be showing my face a lot for this project, so for this job. So what I'm gonna do, maybe I'm gonna glue some of this in here, so maybe hopefully that will compensate for the missing on wood, in order for me to screw in these type of screws that came with the piece right here. So I know YouTube thinks that I'm not that sexy, so that's why YouTube doesn't give me a lot of views. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not hurt. I'm not hurt. So this piece is gonna go like that, as we can see from the shape of it. So let me put some of this in here. And what I'm gonna use this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna put some Gorilla wood glue on it. Before then, I'll glue in the pieces of wood that I found outside, laying on the yard. Oops, here it comes. Come on. Yeah, let me just glue it here. Put some of it. That. So push it in a little more. So hopefully this will do it. Alright, let's try. I don't know, I'm afraid I'm gonna be using the same long screws for it. Okay, let's try it out. Let's do it by hand. Before we put it all the way in, let's try the other one. Let's leave it. We go do it. Okay, now we want to work doorknob. 2 screws over here and 2 over here, 2 there, 1 over here, and the other one is right there. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take these 2 screws out. Out this one. Second one. Out. Let's take a look inside. We need to be careful and look inside how the pieces go. Look at, so that's how I'm going to be installing the new one in that direction. Okay. Now let me remove those these 2 screws. So this is the new one. I need to remove these 2 screws that come with it. Okay. So this piece, the doorknob that from outside can be taken out. So just go ahead and pull it out. So, out it goes. Now let's remove this piece. Notice the orientation of this part. This part is gonna go like if you were inside the bedroom, okay? Facing the inside the bedroom of the bedroom. All right, let me remove it. Okay, and out it comes. All right, guys. So I was able to, for this job, I went ahead and removed these extra pieces that were in here. So now I can see both holes. So this is the first piece is gonna go. Let's see. Try to film it. So we need to try to match the holes with these two. These 2 posts are gonna go, like I mentioned, those 2 holes. I had to pull this out a little bit. So let's see. There you go. Okay, notice how it's nice and flush. And let's do this side. Okay. Out, in it goes. Not out, in. This is the piece that locks the door. Using this other piece on the doorknob. Okay. Let's do it this way. Notice that inside there's like a tiny slot. It's hard for you guys to see that, but it goes in here. You see it vertically or horizontally. So from this view, it is. I'm gonna have to go like in like this vertically. Okay. Let me just that slot, and that's unlock. But if I can remember correctly, this is locked and this is unlock. But let's see. Unlock. But I can see that the screws, the holes don't match. Oh, there you go. That was just for me to screw the 2 screws. Okay, let's finish this job, and let me use this impact driver with the long Phillips screwdriver adapter on it. So hopefully I can get the screws and tighten them down the way they're supposed to go. Okay. Aim it this way. tight space going in there. Okay. Let me try to get this one. Okay. Okay. And let's get you. And we are done. This is a good estimate. We move. And pick up. Out the door. See. See. Push it. This door. Do it. Up. And there we go. Okay. Push it. Okay, let's give it a final test. Let's see. The keys are in. Let's try to close it. Push it out. In this case, just a little bit, so it won't open on you. And let's see if the key works. Let's see. Which way do I go? Which way do I go? This way. Okay. That appears to be locked. Yes, it is. Now let's open it. And it opens like magic. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And that's how you fix a door with just $8 on you. Okay, stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, like, share, comment. All right? Even though YouTube doesn't want to give me any thousands of views. All right, guys. See you next time.